San Diego Java Users Group. I missed last month. Hopefully you guys didn't. I heard it was a really good episode with Java FX and stuff. But I was actually in Colombia on holiday. I was paragliding.
Where were you?
In Colombia.
How wonderful.
I was born there, I know this.
Pretty sure.
Where at Colombia?
In the south, well, mid-central area near Cali.
Oh.
So we were paragliding from Cali north up to Encerma Nuevo. So that's just north of Rodonillo. I took a 6-hour flight. I went from Rodonillo all the way down to Piachinche, which is about 225 kilometers in the air, just sort of flying around.
Hanging from that paraglider thing?
Yeah, well, I was sitting.
No.
Yeah, so it's more of a hang gliders, you hang below like Superman. Paragliders, you sit back. Maybe at the intermission I'll show something. I got carried away with raffle tickets. You guys are great.
How was the food?
Food was great. So, tonight's episode, this is it, sponsored by San Diego Java Users Group, which for some reason disappeared. Okay, we'll get to that, the timeline. Oh, the short break, just before 8 o'clock, or where Steve has a good breaking point. Restrooms are in the midsection back left. New people, there's some new people, don't be shy. Ah, thank you, okay, great, yeah. Why do we do this? I just need one new person to prompt that, because Bill and Steve, who've been here forever, at least, 2004, 5, 3? Okay, he's joking.
I don't remember.
They all know what our mission is. So we put up a mission statement for new people. And why do we get together besides the free pizza? Camaraderie. Let's talk about some of the Java technology here in the San Diego world. Let's see what's going on. And kind of network and do all that stuff. What's cool going on at your workplace? Or maybe you've got a side project, a hobby that you're working on. So interesting stuff. And that's why we do the meet. Easy to become a member now. We have our new meetup site. Please join that. It's new that we're trying this year. I got one of our sponsors actually paying for the first 6 months of it. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully they'll continue a renewable thing because it's not free when you get over 50 people. So that's keep that in mind. The users group on the Yahoo side had over 1,000 people registered, and not everybody showed up at once, which is good. But Yahoo seems to be having its issues this day and age. We also put up a Facebook site, so we're trying to keep things posted up on there too. If you're more interested in the Facebook aspect. The announcements. Now here we go. San Diego Java Users Group. That was brought to you. So I am looking for sponsors. And I just met Dawn today, so maybe she can sponsor next month's pizza.
Well, it's not up to me, but
Okay.
I certainly can speak to the people at my organization.
Okay, perfect. Just give me a call, drop me an email. Thanks. And then, this is good. I'm always looking for speakers, so I'm very happy that Steve's with us tonight. Long-time member in the community, kind of showing what he's done at work. If you know of somebody or you yourself want to present, please let me know. And the best thing is to schedule a date and exchange emails and get that email connection going right. I am SDJUGPrez@yahoo.com. Let's see. Oh yeah, good stuff. Is there anybody looking for work? Looking to change their current job? Got one, two. Sometimes it's just, do a filler out there, and this is your opportunity. No pressure, but who are you and what do you do?
Nick Taylor. I work for a bank. I work from home for a bank in New York. I'm more of a senior development manager.
Okay. In the Java realm, I'm assuming?
I have all technologies under me, C++, Java, .NET.
Okay.
Loads of stuff.
All right, cool. Somebody raise their hand? Yeah, go ahead.
I'm David Baum. I work for Teradata for the last 12 years. There's something changing going on, so I'm looking for a job. So
like
So,
help?
I work with AWS Cloud. So I write Ansible to spin up the instances and both the client and database. And copy all of the test script and program for the database. So some kind of automation is going on. That's a whole new direction that companies taking.
Very good. So I'm actually the manager of DevOps here at ResMed. We use Chef and we use the Atlassian toolset, and Bamboo for deployment, and Chef for all the scripting. Cool stuff. The DevOps is a really hot buzzword, and it takes all kinds of engineering, programmers, systems type of stuff. All right. Was there anybody else? Please. We got more people. Please.
I'm Adam. I've been a Java developer for 2 years at we're a box office management cloud hosted solution. If you've ever bought a ticket for the Del Mar racetrack, you've used our software, and I'm sorry for the UI. I have Java experience where AWS hosted. I don't do much of that. JavaScript and front end too. We only have 5 developers right now, so we do full stack.
Okay. Cool. Well,
I'm not looking for offering a job, but I wanted to share a short message from Subaru, the SWAG sponsor. And the message is this: I'm a Subaru ambassador, which is a volunteer position with them, selected by them to be their ambassador to talk about their products. I'm not getting paid, but I'm getting every couple of months free stuff to give away. And also, I've got a couple of $500 discount coupons that I can give to anyone who would like to buy a new Subaru. It doesn't make sense to buy a used Subaru because the prices do not fall at all. Subaru is the #1 brand for retail value in the United States. So I bought my Subaru new, and I suggest everyone does this. If you do, or if you know somebody who does this, who wants to do it, contact me during the break.
okay. Great transition to those people who are hiring. So, first off, are there any direct manager, direct hires? Anybody from the company looking? Okay, ResMed's looking. So, but you'll have to check our job site. We do have software engineers for, I think, in the mobile. I'm not sure anymore. Stanley, do you remember?
There's one iOS engineer open.
Okay, iOS. We have iOS and Android. So iOS is looking. Android is more Java-ish. So we like Android. And I think they're still looking for a Java senior developer position. We do back-end processing of all kinds of data. You might say we were the first Internet of Things company before Internet of Things became the buzzword.
Yeah.
But we've got over 2 million devices out there collecting sleep data, data as you sleep. And they all phone home when you wake up in the morning. So our mornings are very much, here's all the data coming in, can we handle it? And then it tapers off from there. Okay, so, look like you're chomping.
Okay, my name is Dawn Settle and I work at Tapestry Solutions. We're a software development company here in San Diego. We do both commercial and defense business, and I work in the HR department there doing recruiting, and I have a couple of software positions open. So we have a software developer level 4, we have a level 3 and a level 2. Those are all currently open, and then I have a software development manager position coming down the pipeline. So I'm here to try to get out here and meet some people in software development in Java.
Good, Java's the key word
get my
here.
jobs in front of you and the people that you know to get referrals so that I can hopefully, get these filled for my company. There's a little bit more people here than I actually realized we're going to be here. I have some business cards, but you certainly can send me a LinkedIn invite and I will connect with you. And definitely, if you apply to one of the positions, you're more than welcome to reach out to me. My contact information is here, and you can certainly get a hold of me on LinkedIn, and I'll be willing to have, individual conversations with anyone who's interested.
I didn't catch the name of your company.
Tapestry Solutions.
Oh, yeah.
You're an Oceanside.
I'm sorry?
Oceanside?
No, right here in Pretty Mesa.
Okay, great. Any other announcements? too, I'm sorry. We'll go with the guy in the far back there. I just walked in.
My name is Chris McCann. I'm a business solution architect at Fairway Technologies. We're in the Village in La Jolla in the Merrill Lynch building. We are hiring like crazy. We're looking for Java developers and .NET developers. If you're a mid-level to senior level Java guy or .NET person, I would love to talk to you. I have a stack of business cards. Sorry. That's one thing I did. I actually grabbed a huge stack. So we do some custom software development, public sector, private sector. We work with people like Netflix and PayPal, UC System, State of Oregon, Smarter Balance Assessment Consortium. We have a huge swath of clients, and we've just gotten so many contracts in the last year that we have to staff up. And we are staffing up for the long term. So if you're interested in Java or .NET development with a really amazing company, come see me. I'll be here until we'll stop.
All right, great. Over to Steve.
Yes, so API Healthcare is not currently hiring, but we might be in a few months, so feel free to check with me at the next meeting. And also I have a friend who's looking for somebody who really knows the MCASD protocol. I'm not sure what language he's going to be using now. So if either of those are helpful, let me know.
Cool. Okay, and then one more plug for the San Diego Users Group. So our website, which is still active, giving the latest in what's happening, like you see tonight. But we also have this tab of Nanofunctions. So this is from our sponsor of the Meetup website. So getting them FaceTime in front of everybody. Just spread the word. And then DevOps, we did get a ticket away several months ago. So somebody won that ticket and is at DevOps right now, I hope. But anyways, it's going on right now. It's the first one in the U.S. It was normally a European theater kind of thing. It's running for a couple days up in the Bay Area. I think it was yesterday they had the DevOps Kids. Speaker introduction, Steve. Steve's been here for a long time. All around good
And I
guy.
proved it too. I put JDK 102 up there.
That's right. That's not the time I came into JDK. But all good stuff. He's a very good developer. He's grown up through the ranks and now team lead at GE, which is great. Congratulations on that move. And we'll turn it over to you in a second. One more. Yes, and thank you, Resman, for this lovely facility. Please, at the end of the meeting, it's to clean up ourselves and put things into the big trash can. You may see our facilities guy walking around and just, we're thanking him as you leave out, and everything is good. So now, turn it over to our speaker, Steve. We'll take it from there, and then we'll do a short break around the 8 o'clock hour.